Edward Stevenson, Timeless Wealth Net, and the following is basic technical analysis on Washington Mutual Incorporated, traded under the symbol WAMUQ. Before I even begin, I'd like to wish all the members at Timeless Wealth Net and everyone in the investing community a prosperous, fulfilling, and most importantly, happy new year. And that would be 2010, of course. So let's get started here with Washington Mutual. First off, before you have drawn basic support and resistance, that is, this red line here would represent resistance at approximately 15 cents per share, and likewise this green one, again, the horizontal line in green would represent support at approximately 12 cents, just above 12. In fact, coinciding with the 200-day simple moving average, which would be this purple line right here. And if you follow along, you'll see that following Thursday's trading session, which was a short trading session, as you know, due to the holidays, the price bounced off nicely and headed north, appreciating some 15% on the trading session. And you can reference that in the top left-hand corner right here under MA200. Likewise, the price broke past the 50-day simple moving average, which is this red line right here, and again referenced in the top left-hand corner. It's currently at 12 and 7/10 of a cent. And the price even broke past what was formerly resistance as well, coming off of Wednesday's trading session, the 10-day simple moving average. Again, referenced in top left-hand corner, that would be 13 and 4/10 of a cent. And this blue line right here, so if you follow along, you'll see that the price broke above it nicely. And the last time it had done so, you can see that right here rallied to some 19 cents per share, pulled back, found support at the 10 MA, and then rallied to perhaps 13.5 cents off of a bottom at 11.5. The overall picture here is rather obvious. The price is in an uptrend, something like this. It's also evidenced by several technical indicators, including the MACD and TRIX. You can see that this is the first time TRIX is curling up off a bottom since this period right here, and in that period you can see the price bottom at some 2 and 3/10 of a cent and rallied all the way to 44. So you can see here TRIX is really depicting a longer term pattern, which is definitely bullish activity that's going on in the market. And the other key that I'd like to show you is the fact that following 15 cents per share, there really isn't much resistance until the 18 and 9/10 of a cent area, 19 cents per share, somewhere in and around here. So I'll use this line to indicate that. And more or less between 19 cents per share and 15, the only other area that poses resistance at this point in time is the 100-day simple moving average, which is also the top Bollinger Band at this point in time. I'd like to make note of the fact that the price moved up some 15% following Thursday's trading session, which was a short trading session. However, above average volume came into the market, which showed bullish activity. This means that as the price appreciated, the volume grew as well. So there's a bullish correlation, and that's what ideally you'd like to see happen. Here I'd just like to briefly mention the relative strength index. Obviously we had a pullback following this rally in price right here, and likewise the RSI pulled back, and now it's just about curling north and looking to head above 70, so the momentum zone, if you will. And last time we had seen that, excluding this peak right here, was back in late September, where the price rallied to nearly 44 cents per share. So to quickly cover some of the key points I mentioned today, we're looking at resistance going forward at approximately 15 cents per share, 16 cents per share, which is the 100-day simple moving average / top Bollinger Band, more specifically 15 and 6/10 of a cent and 15 and 7/10 of a cent, if you want to be specific, followed by critical resistance at 18 and 9/10 of a cent, or 19 cents of a cent, which is also parabolic SAR at this point in time. As for support, in the event that the market retraces or declines. We have support at the 10-day simple moving average, which is 13 and 4/10 of a cent, the 50-day simple moving average at 12 and 7/10 of a cent, and the 200-day simple moving average at 12 and 1/10 of a cent, which would be the key line drawn right here. Once again, this was Edward Stevenson from timelesswealth.net. Again, I wish everyone very successful and happy new year, and I encourage you to visit my site timelesswealth.net, tune into some of the materials I've recently added, and subscribe to my free newsletter for overlooked trading and undervalued investment ideas. Thank you for listening.